Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you, there's Mitclear Telescopic Window Squeegee Cleaning Kit. It's a 2-in-1 shower squeegee with extension poles, high windows class washing equipment with microfiber. Oh yeah, this is a window cleaner tool for house care, 65 inches. It's really easy to use, as you can see. The microfiber scrubber cloth on one side to clean windows, durable squeegee on the other side to remove the water particle and achieving maximum clean performance with minimal effort. For lower places, we use the squeegee head alone. For higher places, we use it together with extendable pole. And we have a telescopic handle with it. The high-quality stainless steel pole could extend to 65 inches in length, suitable for hold for high places cleaning beyond normal reach, and easy to extend the pole with simple twist and lock mechanism. 180 degrees rotation for a squeegee cleaning head. One button to easy rotate the squeegee head, which can help to clean the glasses corners and edges outside of the window. And swing for the squeegee head plate so as to achieve tight and close touch for the cloth with the window surface. And with a microfiber cloth and a Super Squeegee in one. The extra piece of cloth and one extra squeegee strip are supplied for long-time use, and they can be replaced easily. The cloth can be washed by our washing machine. If not enough, they can also be replaced by old towels, for example. Soft rubber squeegee strip to ensure no water streak at all. And it looks really cool. If you have a not so easy reach glass window there, you can reach it with that device. The Mitclear window squeegee, oh yeah, and sure, nothing but clean, streak-free windows. Our home windows may be in inevitable dirt. Our bathroom will be wet after showing, and our car will be stick with spot and grime. Then what shall we do with that? We're cleaning them with the Mitclear 2-in-1 window cleaner squeegee kit. A must-have tool for free or from exhausting window cleaning jobs. Yeah, it's really easy. The 180-degree squeegee head can be locked in each control. It can make sure that the squeegee and the scrubber reach window corner and other angled windows and blinds. And the squeegee adopts silicone instead of the rubber, which ensures to clean touch spots on different window surfaces, both flat and ripped kind, and not scratch them too. The squeegee comes with 2 pieces, longer clean life than a normal one-blader, and it can be interchangeable with firm pressure. Sliding away, job's done. The microfiber scrubber can be easily replaced and washed by a machine. We free our hands from water and remain fresh in every cleaning finish. And the microfiber cloth does absorbent material, universal in fast window surface cleaning without scratching and providing clear and spotless glass. And this swing design seems simple, but very effective. It can ensure that microfiber scrubber and the squeezer blade get in touch with glass surface at any time. We have a high glass cleaning option. We clean the bathroom, for example. We can clean the desk. We can clean the car. We can clean everything. With a flat surface with this Mitclear Telescopic Window Squeegee Cleaning Kit. It's a 2-in-1 shower squeegee with extension poles. It's a high windows class washing equipment with microfiber, and it's a windows cleaner tool for our house, or for our car, or for our bathroom, or for our whatever we will need it for. 65 inches by Mitclear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.